Got the Cush Core from Amazon. Had a flat on the trail the other day. Gonna throw these in there, see if I like it any better. Do a little install video. I heard these things are hard to put in. Let's find out. Comes in a really nice little box. I guess it should for 150 bucks. Watched a video on how to install it. It seemed fairly straightforward. I've heard some horror stories. Got this one for my 27.5. Let's open it up. Here's everything comes in the box. Got you some stickers, some install instructions. Got the 44mm air valves and the Cush Core itself. Pretty thick stuff. It seems really strong. My E13 TRS wheels that came stock on my Transition Patrol have this tubeless tape already installed in them, but it's kind of peeling back a little bit here. Everything I read online, people really like Gorilla Tape. So I'm going to remove this and install some Gorilla Tape real quick. Got the new rim tape in. Now it's time to install the Cush Core. But you know what? Forgot my damn valve stem. So that was good practice. Got the valve stem in this time. Let's go step 2. Take 2. Got my Max's Minion, little soapy water. Side one on. Right, it's pretty much the same thing for the other side. Start working it in. It's tough. Wasn't that bad. Not as bad as some of the videos I saw made it seem. A little forearm workout. Now, let's get more orange steel. Put it in there. Back of the label it says 27.5 and 29, 3 or 4 ounces. So we'll add. Got the Cush Core on the bike, tires aired up. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll get this thing out on the trail. I'll tell you what I think about it. Definitely a little more weight, but Lord knows I could use the cardio, so we'll get it out on the trail. Hit some turns, some jumps, see how it feels. Try it out. Cush Core. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.